Hello children, let's recite a new rhyme, Rain. This is written by our principal, SHASHI Aunty. Before starting, let me ask you some questions. Are you both ready, Maggie and Bolu? Are you all ready children? So, during rainy season, what do you see up in the sky?
I see grey clouds.
Very good, Bolu. Now, the next question is, what do you all like doing on rainy days? I take out my umbrella and dance.
I like to bathe in the rain.
Let's start the poem. But before starting, there are some new words in the poem. I will tell you the meaning of those words. The first word is rumbling. Rumbling means deep, heavy sound like a thunder. Second word is prancing. When you take long, quick, high steps like a horse. And the third word is glee. When you are extremely happy or delighted. So let's start the poem. So you all remember, feet together, hands at the back, be clear and expressive. Rain by SHASHI Aunty. Up in the sky, what do I see? Grey clouds, rumbling and bumbling. Got my rainbow umbrella out, full of joy and excitement. No doubt. Then, knocking at my window pane, down came the pouring rain. Yes, yes, a bath in the rain for me. Dancing, prancing under nature's shower with glee. Do you want to join me? Thank you.